If you're interested in studying in King Abdullahi University of Science and Technology in Saudi Arabia, then this opportunity is for you because they are accepting application, and this application is on a space available basis. So please hurry and send in your application right now. And you have the opportunity of being accepted into their fully funded fellowship program, which covers your full tuition support, monthly living allowance from $20,000 to $30,000 annually, depending on your qualification and degree progress. You have the possibility of the on-campus housing, medical and dental coverage, as well as relocation support. So all you have to do is to hurry and apply today by clicking on this link here. And once you're on this page, you simply enter your personal information and then you select the type of degree program you're interested in. If you're interested in their master's or PhD program, as well as PG Diploma. So once you select, for example, master's, then you can select the year, which is the 2024 fall section, and you can select your program. So they have basically all science program: biosciences, chemistry, chemical engineering, computer science, earth sciences and engineering, electrical and computer engineering, environmental science and engineering, marine science. So basically they have all science programs. So you select based on your choice. And thereafter, you can select your specialization based on the program you selected. Then you fill out every information and submit your application. And these are the list of their degree programs. So they have the master's program, the PhD, the PG Diploma, as well as the CIE Masters. This is a new program from them, and this is designed to prepare students for successful career in technology, innovation, and entrepreneurship. So depending on what you're interested in, you can click on it to learn more. And right here, you can see the admissions at KAUST, and they're accepting application on a space available basis. And these are the deadlines. The current deadline is for those applying for the CIE Masters applicants for fall entry. The deadline is going to be on the 30th of March 2024. So hurry and send in your application so they can have a chance of being accepted into the fellowship program, which is a fully funded scholarship. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.